God the Son, God the Holy Spirit, Holy Trinity, one God. We humbly pray that you will hear us, O Lord, and that you will send peace to the whole world, which you have reconciled to yourself by the ministry of your Son, Jesus.
Lord, hear our prayer.
That you will grant to your people the forgiveness of sins and give us grace to amend our lives.
Lord, hear our prayer.
That you lead every member of your church in his particular vocation and ministry to serve you in a true and godly life.
Lord, hear our prayer. To think of how best we can be able to develop our country, we call upon all political leaders to think objectively and to give credit where credit is due. Fellow leaders, let us address the needs which affect our people. As you are all aware, poverty, ignorance, and disease know no party. Please don't politicize the things which affect our people so badly. Instead, as good leaders, find ways of addressing these challenges. To my brother, Bishop Patrick Wakula, your dear wife and family, I welcome you to the House of Bishops. You have joined our team as a shepherd, preacher, and leader of this new diocese of St.